what I have learned from my 20 years of about 20 years of trading and a few years of working with coaching traders is there's a lot of theory going on in trading, but there is one thing that separates the traders who move forward and make it from those who don't. And that is how they deal with their mistakes. I think it's probably the single most important thing that you really have to change the normal mindset about. Think of soldiers and firefighters and ambulance drivers, ambulance crews, and emergency room crews. These guys practice over and over and over and over and over again so that in real life they will not have to think. Their actions will be automatic. They will have an answer to every situation in advance. They will know exactly what they do in every situation. They don't just try. You don't see a policeman go to the range and just try to play around with their gun. They do target practicing in a very deliberate way, the exact same way they're going to shoot in the field. Your goal is your score. Your score is not in money, in dollars. Your score is in following your system. Once you do that for a month in a row, and you make money, then you can go live small. Most of what we do is subconscious. Most of our thought patterns are automatic. And they are automatic, and they're brought into our mind from all that we have collected since childhood, and from our parents, from our family, from our friends, and from YouTube, and from the teachers, and from the books we read. All of that goes into this thing, and they're all mixed up together, and they drive our decisions. And many of the things that drive our decisions we're not aware of.